When assembling the battery, you need to connect the power supply to activate the multimeter. After activation, you can use it without connecting the power supply. You can use your phone to connect to Bluetooth to play music. Multimeter with DC voltage, frequency, resistance, capacitance, buzzer, diode, DC current, data hold, maximum minimum, relative measurement, shift range, switch sound, adjust range incorporated with noise reduction. Power on button. Press the setup button once to set the time. Adjust the time up or down. Long press the setup button to exit. Press and hold the setting button to set the alarm. Adjust the time. Press the setting button to cut to open. Long press the setting button to exit. Adjust the screen brightness. Press the up and down buttons to adjust up to 5 times. Press the CF button to switch. Connect to Bluetooth to listen to songs while measuring. Millivolt clear. High precision. High precision. DC voltage measurement display. AC voltage measurement display. Frequency detection display. Resistance measurement on both sides. Capacitance measurement. First discharge the capacitor to avoid burning the meter. Buzzer display. Iode measurement, positive